A fade can be an easy way to add a modern touch to your hairstyle. Have your barber taper just around the ears to tone down your hair's volume and turn up its edge. For drop fades with long tops, gel and hairspray are essential for keeping the cut tame. This felt silhouette offers versatility for the office, the weekend, and everything in between. Give your cut some height with a foxhawk. It pairs well with a bald drop fade because it lets the dramatic top be the focal point of your look. Make sure your barber gives you a clean hairline with sharp angles, so that your style reads more modern than punk. Modernizing curly hair can be tricky sometimes. But a deep mid-drop fade with subtle shadow effects shows off your curls while still maintaining that cool factor you're craving. The messy bevy of coils brings a fun texture that you should flaunt, not hide. Short and choppy layers bring texture to straight strands, while also cutting back on their volume. Thick hair can be a hassle to maintain, so a hairstyle like the low drop fade takes the grunt work out of getting ready every morning. Just add a little mousse to hold your crop in place and you're good to go. For the fashion-forward, slick back cuts are a timeless choice. If you want an updated version, grow out the top section of your hair. The rest is shaved with a fade and line up. This is also a great fallback for people with fine strands. The skin fade masks any thinning and focuses on the length and contrast of textures. A high top fade with a drop is a go-to for those with curlier tresses. It still shows off your thick textured hair, without letting unruly curls get in the way. A clean hairline is the perfect choice for a sophisticated finish. You can grow out a drop fade afro and still rock a neat short haircut. We all have to start from somewhere, right? After the initial cut, keep the sides shaved while letting the top portion grow until you've reached your desired length. It is effortlessly cool and practical all at the same time, since you won't have much to do to your natural hair. Accentuate the sleekness of your straight locks with a neatly tapered cut. The gradient of the shadow fade is what makes this hairstyle smart and polished. Foxhawks are unabashedly bold. But there is nothing to brag about when the style falls flat. To maintain yours, opt for plenty of gel and apply it to your tresses in an upward movement. The product will keep the top of your hair full of body and help it stand tall in choppy spikes.